Join me in Manor Forest Park in Northern Ireland. This is quite a way away and about 130 kilometres from Drogheda. It's in a very central place of Northern Ireland between the west and the east coast. And it's rather nice. There is a lake, there's a lot of walks, there's even a camping place. We're just walking here because the weather is nice and we want to enjoy the day. I'm at the old manor now, and although it is kind of falling apart and a lot of the interior is non-existent, the outer walls are still here, and it's a really nice area. There are trees, there are plants, there's herbs inside, there's really nice footpaths and so many benches. It's really nicely taken care of, and I do appreciate that. So, along this main big walk, there is a walled garden as well as a cedar circle. We're entering the walled garden now, and there's a small playground here as well. It should be pretty nice. I'm expecting a lot of flowers, a lot of plants, and I'm hoping it's well maintained. You'll see in a second. It's been a beautiful day so far, and it's bound to continue. We're finishing up here now. There's a lot to do here. There's maybe 67 kilometers of walks, so many different walks, and it's plenty to do. There's not too many people around here, even on this lovely sunny day. So you have some privacy, and there is so many benches as well as picnic tables. You can essentially just relax and go anywhere where you want. A lot of people with children and families here, as well as the elderly. There's public toilets that are well maintained, have paper and are free, as well as a small little shop. It's usually just ice cream and coffee, but if you want something like that, you can get it here. There's a playground, and oh my gosh, it's a lovely place. You just kind of relax and spend the entirety of a day.